Give you a push.
Yeah,
It's good. Good try. Get yourself straight. Okay, here we go. Get your feet up. Ready? There you go. Whoa, careful.
I don't have any bike to ride. I don't have a bike to ride. And my leg is hurt. And I did what you told me.
Break. Woohoo! Good job, Sid. Go, Lou. Oh. Are you okay? Just scuff your knee. Let's see. Uh-oh.
Scrape my knee a little bit.
You're okay. Sit down for a second. That happens. Go, go, go. Catch up to her.